I'm Andy Jenkinson, Caravan industry expert. Welcome to my channel. Hi and welcome to a new video, and today I'm at Broadlane Caravans at their Kenilworth branch. Now this dealership has been around here for many years. Before Broadlane actually established it as Broadlane Caravans in 1975, there was a caravan dealership here before, and it was part of the then big growing Gailey group. But anyway, speed you up now to 2022. Broadlane have another branch over at Ulster, and they sell tourers new and used over there. Here they sell motorhomes, camper vans, as well as tourers too. And also they've taken on the new Arebas. Now, I'm looking at a Sprite Compact. Okay, yes, I know I've seen one before, and I raved about it. But in a dealer special, it just adds that little bit of extra icing on the cake. So I'm just going to give a quick view around this, because the Fairway range is well known amongst dealer specials, because there's a lot of them out there, because the Fairway range has been out for over 25 years. So it's a firm favourite for those looking for a nice dealer special that's based on a good range of touring caravans, i.e. Swift, and this is based on the Sprite Compact, of course. Now you'll see my video on the Sprite Compact, and I did rave about it, and I still think it's a cracking little tourer. But one of the many dealer specials, and this is one of them, I think the Fairway one is one of the nicest ones I've seen. So we're going to do a quick tour. I'm sorry if it seems a bit of a repeat over the conventional one, but I think we can just have a quick look around and see what little extras you get in, because this is just over £20,000. I'll give you the details after, and yet you get quite a bit of extra kit for it as well. So it's well worth thinking about if you want to just slightly upgrade from the conventional base Sprite Compact to something with a little bit more, a few more little luxury touches probably. But as you know, I think the Sprite range is a very good range of touring caravans, and that's where I'd put my own hard-earned money if I had some to put down there, of course. Right, so let's further ado, let's crack on and just have a go around, and I'll just show you some of the differences over the conventional Sprite Compact. Right, I think the best place to start off is in the lounge area. Now I think this van at 6'7" wide, I think it's an absolutely brilliant van, and I've said before on the other video, it does replace the Luna Arriva very well. In fact, there's a little Luna Arriva just tucked round the corner from where I'm doing this review that's sold as soon as it dropped in on the forecourt. Right, okay, so the Compact, yes, it's a straight two berths, yes, it's the old basically layout, tried and tested, end kitchen, corner washroom, and two singles at the front here, or a large double bed. So what's different on this? Well, the upholstery is a better quality for a kick-off. It's an upgraded upholstery. It's nice. I've been sat on it before while I was sort of getting this video ready. I thought how comfortable it was. You get these nice cushions, different patterns, and these sort of bolster corners here. So I was messing around before, knocked that out. Just adding to the little bits of comfort. Different, obviously, soft furnishings, i.e. curtains as well. And also, you get an alarm, which is very handy, of course. And, of course, you get the everything else you get of the Sprite Compact, you know, the supersized access lockers. So, saves, obviously, messing around putting these up all the time. And a blown heater outlet there. Now also you get these little cushions as well, which I don't know where the other one is, probably in the wardrobe or something, but that to me just looks nice. It just breaks it. I mean, it feels nice and cozy in this tour, it really does. Now you don't get a sunroof added in this, which in theory you would have thought possibly that might have been the case, but that is quite an expensive thing to do, and it would really push the price up. But who knows, on the Compact for 2023, that may happen, we don't know. Right, of course, fly screens and blinds, and they're the nice pleated blinds there, over the conventional ones. And also, you've got the excellent same cupboard storage. And of course, you've got the radio that fits in there. Now, I'm not sure if that's a DAB radio that will fit in there, or conventional FM radio. It may be a DAB radio, I'm not sure. You still get the same, obviously, fridge freezer from Dometic. Just one thing I'm surprised they didn't do, I'm surprised they didn't actually put better LED corner lights in. So ones that actually swivel around, because these on the conventional Sprites I don't think are very good. If that's anything I was going to change, I'd definitely put 4 proper swivel corner LED spots there. Okay, let's go and have a look around the back end. Right, well, everything's pretty much the norm here, of course, again. Same sink, and again, I'm surprised I didn't probably fit a dual fuel hob on this actually, but then again, it's down to costs, all that sort of thing. You still get your nice microwave, of course, on the control panel above here, and the Truma heater controls, which will keep this van really warm and toasty. There's actually a solar panel, of course, on this as well. I'm not sure if it's a 60 watt on it. I'd have to, again, I'll check up when I come and do the end of the video. Nice big sink, of course, is normal. Main socket, good lighting, and of course the normal excellent storage space that you get with the Compact. I think this really is a super van, and as a dealer special with that extra bit of oomph in it, I think it just adds to it. And I do like this long wardrobe. Now again, I think if it had been me and I was just doing this as a special or as a conventional, I do think a mirror on this wardrobe door would not go amiss, or on the washroom door here, but certainly on the wardrobe door. There's obviously the status TV aerial, lots of hanging space. Oh, there's down to your electrics, one of the Truma pipes coming through there, the blown heat system, and your freestanding table. That is a super sized wardrobe, it really is. So, as usual, good storage. I'm just refreshing people's minds if they haven't seen that Compact video. And there's a little bit of a hook here as you come in, just a nice little feature. Plus, obviously, the fly screen on the door, nice fly screen. And I think, as far as I'm aware of, the awning light is remotely controlled as well. Right, just going to go into the washroom here just to refresh ourselves. And again, it comes with the same size, decent sized window on there. I think that's brilliant. There's the roof vent in there. So you got plenty of ventilation, plenty of light. It really is a nice fitted out little side washroom, and it's spacious enough to have a shower in here should you need it, bit of storage under here. I really do think it's a cracking little tour of this, and there's a dealer special as a Fairway. I think they've done a good job generally, just adding bits to it. But I think you'd find that hard to fault considering the size of this Tourer. Right, I think we're going to have a quick summary and see what else comes with this van. Right. Well, I think the Compact, as you know, I've banged on it as much as I can really. I think it's a great little compact Tourer for two. Even my wife was quite taken up with this Tourer, and she would be very, very tempted with it, especially as a dealer special. And what you also get with the Fairway, you get some extra USB, you get some USB ports. I think there's an extra couple of main sockets maybe. Also you get the ATC to towing stability. Obviously the AKS hitch is standard anywhere on all Swift Sprites. But you also get a barbecue point, an exterior mains socket, which is very, very useful, believe me. And also an external locker there too. And I think what you can't really complain about is that you get quite a lot of extra bit of kit for the extra bit of money that goes on top of this, but obviously not as much as if you ordered it separate on a standard Sprite Compact. So I think the Compact is great. As a dealer special like the Fairway, makes it even better still. This is called the Fairway Classic Compact. Fair enough. And as I say, it's one of those dealer specials that's been around for a long, long time. There's a lot of dealer specials out in the market there. I think that's going to change come 2023. There will still be some that Swift will do, and I'm pretty sure that the Fairway will be there still out there with one or two others, but they are going to cull down the amount of dealer specials. Because if you think about it, when you're producing touring caravans or anything of that matter, to start doing variations, a lot of variations, it will hamper your production schedules up. So on a nice late morning here in Kenilworth at Broadlane Caravans, I'll bid you farewell. And also just to say thank you again for all the new subscribers that are coming on board. Thank you for everybody who does the likes. Thank you for all the comments. Get some really super comments. And again, see me on the dealer forecourt, anywhere, and you recognise me, please come and say hello. I love to have a chat to my subscribers. That's part of what I love about this, doing this job. And also, it's Practical Caravan's 50... I think it's 55th anniversary this year, so I'm going to be doing a bit of a special video on that and how Practical Caravan started up to the present day. So that's coming in the next, probably over the next month, maybe next 4 or 5 weeks probably. But I really want to do that and show you how things have changed. And I started writing for it in late 95, I think it was. It would be late 95, so I've done 25, 26 years, something like that now on it. But also, May of this year, 2022, is my 30th anniversary of being in publishing. And by that time, anyway, my new book will have come out, which I'll tell you all about after. But anyway, from Broadlane Leisure, in the Fairway Compact Tourer, I'll bid you farewell, and as I say, please keep subscribing, please keep watching. Yeah, this is a really nice little van. It just adds to it. I could really be tempted if I had that money, but I ain't. It's a really nice little Tourer, believe me. Come and have a look at the Fairways. If you're looking at a dealer special Sprite, the Fairways are worth coming and have a look at. See you soon anyway. Bye for now.